Getting right to some breaking news out of Citrus Park. County crews are on the scene of a large hole that opened there overnight.
Yeah, some homeowners are concerned and decided to leave their homes. This is playing out in the Logan Gate neighborhood near Gun Highway. Let's get right to News Channel 8's Avery Cotton live there now. So, Avery, how big of a hole are we talking about?
Good morning. We're dealing with about a 15-foot wide hole, and crews are inside of it right now trying to get everything repaired and cleaned up. They believe this was all caused by a leaky fire hydrant, and you can see that lying on the ground. They were able to actually pull the hydrant out of the ground earlier, and now they're working on the water main. Now, they're telling me that about 30,000 gallons of water spewed out into the ground. This all happening around midnight. And I can tell you that about a dozen homes are currently without water. 2 homeowners did decide to leave their homes after deputies told them what was happening in their front yard. Crews are on scene working right now to fix this leak, and they're really just looking to see what exactly caused this. TECO was also out here a little earlier. They had to cut some power off so the water main crews could get out here and work. The power is not affecting any of the homes here, but if you look, I can show you some barricades as we take you back out live. There are about 7 homes that are in between 2 sets of barricades. So right now we're working to learn to see how these folks are going to be able to get out of their homes and get to work as the sun starts to rise. But as crews continue to work to repair this and figure out what's going on, we're going to continue asking the questions to see how this happened in the first place. Back to you.
What a frustrating headache to wake up to first thing in the morning. All right. Thank you, Avery.